So just yet another little value added tool along the way. And definitely not to discount probably one of the most impressive ones that has really gained a lot of attention and interest is the interactive training tools we are offering with Make Productivity. And what I'm about to show you here is just offered with every single installation of Make Productivity. There's no added fee for access to this on-demand training. By queuing up this player right over here, we've got 4 different learning modules in 3-axis machining for Power Mill. And if I queue this up, you now have this digital content on demand created specifically from our team of support engineers. So these are training courses that we've just delivered numerous times over the years. And we want to give everybody else, we want to give our customers the autonomy to handle your training in-house, because we're just responding to the not complaint, but to the issue of a reduced labor force. Really, we're having a hard time bringing in new people, and when we do, we need to get them trained up right away. This will give you the autonomy to handle your in-house training all by yourselves. You can have access to this. That if you want, it doesn't have to tie up a seat of Power Mill, but if you want to pair it with a seat of Power Mill, that is definitely a good suggestion, because it comes along with it with some interactive training tools as well. And I'm just going to touch on this one real quick, because I know we want to get to our question and answer period as soon as possible. But let's just say I queue up this toolpath right over here, and I'm a new user to programming, or even a new user to Power Mill. Maybe I want some validation that what I calculated here actually makes sense. And these interactive training tools, for example, like check my tool path, is going to be looking for maybe some of the common pitfalls that a new user may fall into, for example. So this feedback is here. It's on demand. It checks whatever is active in your current project right now. It gives you some suggestions like, hey, take a look at your coordinate system. Take a look at your work plane. Take a look at your step over. Maybe you can improve on your high-speed settings so you can get some arc fitting between your toolpath segments. Items like this that maybe a newer program may not be familiar with, it'll draw their attention to and improve